everyone. Today we are going to uh, optimize the CAD model of Hinge. So first of all, we'll go to the file option and here we'll select the import option and we'll import our CAD model. So this is our CAD model of Hinge, and now we will go to the geometry tab and here we'll choose the partition option. So basically this is used to apply loads and constant to the specific area. Now we'll choose the design space. If we choose design space, then this means that this area can be modified and mass can be reduced and material can be reduced from here. After that, we'll go to the structure tab and here we will choose the load options and we'll apply load to the top and the bottom surfaces. And after that we'll choose the force and we'll apply the force to the bolts. We can also uh, alter the value of forces, so I'll choose 20 Newton. We can alter direction from here, this option plus minus. So we have done all the we have applied all the forces here. Now we'll move to our next step, which is analysis of this. After that we'll choose the optimization option here.